Welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to be playing some warships. I've got a few contracts, or well, they're not contract missions that I'm going to be doing. Campaigns? I think that's what they're called. Yep. Two campaigns. One to get XP, and another to just earn money. So I'll start the mission with using a Japanese battleship called the Miyogi. It's a tier 4, which I think is the highest tier ship I've got at the moment now, but hopefully it'll end out well, but come on. Oh, is it loading? Is it doing it? Is it working? Are we winning? Yes? Are we? Oh. Oh, hey, there we go. Oh, we've got some tier 3 ships this time. Mostly tier 3 ships, actually. Okay. So let's go that way. No, actually, let's go over that way. And now, for all of our turrets turned over this way, so we can immediately just open fire on everyone. Oh, I do really like that angle. Especially that there. Okay. There we go. No idea if this ship can make turns that. Oh yeah, no, that isn't that steep. Yep. Okay. Let's just hope that our teams are semi-decent. These maps, for what they are, do actually look rather nice. Nah, that wasn't. Nah. Nah, I'm not gonna be able to. Let's just guess and just lob them over there. Oh, actually, I might have put these on a decent route. Come on, yeah. Piss. A little bit too low. What? 7 seconds? 5, 4, 3. Don't want him. No, I think I should probably just fire on this guy here who's a little bit closer. Yes! Set him on fire! The fact that that ship hasn't been destroyed yet isn't exactly making me feel very happy. What? Oh yeah, hit it. Right, that one's going down. Oh, well, the two of ours went down at the same time. Huh. I'll just try him. Go on, light him on fire. Yes, lit him on fire. No, you know what, let's full reverse. Oh, fuck. Oh, that did lots of damage. It's okay though, we're doing well. Fuck. Come on, let's turn. Come on. Alright, I think we are we're doing a little bit better because we've got that that one on our side, whereas they haven't. Fucking under solid volley. Yep, set him on fire. Alright. Maybe give him a bit of a hand. Come on, hurry up and reload. God, this reloading is so slow. Alright. I think I'm gonna switch fire to so. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, that isn't good. Alright, BBO. I need to actually fight this guy. Yeah, he's opening fire on me. Shit. Okay. Well, this isn't exactly a good situation to be in, but let's just hope. Come on. Set him on fire again. Okay, we're about on equal footing now. Two of us focusing on him. Right, my secondary cannons are lighting him up. Oh, we're doing decent. Come on, decent damage. Missed both of them. Brilliant. Alright, that's one down. Two more go. Oh god. Oh shit. They're over there. Fuck. I think maybe we should leave. Let me get it, or maybe go after that one on our own. Yeah, he's definitely over there. Let's switch our cannons over to that side. Come on. I'd like to really get over there before our teammates take too much of a beating. Oh, well, never mind. We're gonna run his. We're gonna fucking fade him. Just need to know where this one guy is. I have to assume he's right at the very, like. Unless he's actually, like, legitimately hiding from us. Because my, I can at least see pretty much most of the map. I've got no idea where he is. She's kind of, Hey, we found you! That's it, come on, let's get him! Let's get him, lads! Let's just prepare to have our cannons just open up on him. It's not even expecting me, I don't think. Set him on fire. There we go, I'm sure that shocked him a bit. All of our cannons faced at him. Oh, I'm on fire. Ah, to just get rid of that. Yeah, he's not even focusing on us. There we go, target hits. There we go, once we get a little bit further away from his main cannon. Actually, no, he is probably a decent spot to just sort of hide. Just reload AP rounds and then aim about there. Oh, they are going to see me. Ah, you know what, fuck it, let's just hide back here. Huh. Genuinely surprised he didn't open up on me there, but oh well. Come on, I want this. Huh? Oh, come on. I wanted that kill. Ah, whatever. Alright, we did well. Oh, I have not earned a lot of credits. Let's go back to port, and for the rest of the video I think I'll just go into a random battle. Wait, hang on. Oh, I've been playing the wrong mode. Whoopsie daisy. Ah, I'm gonna scream. Oh God. No, don't have any friends. Get out. Can I purchase anything? No, not really. No. Oh, daily gift. I'll have that. Sure, whatever. Warhammer 40k. That's kind of cool. I'd kind of like that actually. I wonder if it has like one main cannon on the front. Let's have a look. Corn. I imagine. I don't know. Oh, it's Japanese and all. I think I might end up getting this. Right, well, you know what, I'll cut the video here, and I'll see you in the next one. See yous.